for aha Ghana Sem TVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribing, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for yes, fear pastors or would you say the agro? Bekaya makachere mu say asofofo a gangi na mu gangi yeri tia MPP. Enye kwa o. Obia wo interest. Obi bia wo interest. Uyo osofo, oye konfo, oye imam, oye den, obia wo interest. And look, when people see money, their mindset changes. Whether the person is a pastor or a fetish priest or whatever. Or who scan na adwin sisa. Na mumu bebre na mu fi say na yenim ya yekika. Say the MPP for NDC for ababan mu. Mu say asofo for bebre o mu rush for diplomatic passport. Yes sir. Kofa mu diplomatic passport mu be say fie. Kofa mu pay fie mu pay car. That is how they are sharing money resources under NDC say. Wa won pay diplomatic passport no be beji fie 3-bedroom mi bi de obenye bi. Enye 3-bedroom and they escalate and as a Toyota Land Cruiser V8 be there usubenye bi. And the common floor member of NDC grassroots for omukoye campaign ekoto aba ema NDC de omu bre bra na omu bre ebusianfo just to prove to you say ye kasa obi a man of God munka say oye nipa ona sa nipa sa man no so oye nipa and if I say man of God they say nyakup nyame nipa. Yes sir. So that person is also fallible. That person is also subject to like or money or to be greedy and everything. Yeah, the list about agencies are more financially compliant from the best to the worst. Now we share list nemono. State agencies by the way. First thing, and they say many of the places GRA, Ghana Revenue Authority. Ebusianfo nkofo amu gie taxes. Nkofo amu ko chesi business people say mu tua mu taxes, mu ye the right thing and all the others no. Omu kro amundi loss. GRA of all people, of all agencies. They don't follow the laws that are laid down for how to use government budgeting and all those. They don't follow. But I know my interest. My interest right now, they say, agency bakwa nipa oda no ye osofo. Oye pastor pao. Agency no. National Communications Authority. I was Sam George ase. Sam George Ministry ase no. Oho na NCA wo. Ebusianfo. They are almost close to the west. Out of about 100 agencies, ebia 98, 99 honum. That is how bad it is for there. Makachira mu say, some of these pastors who were involving themselves in politics, campaigning for NDC ni. Amusu chance na mo be DB. Amusu chance na mo be DB. Ene Assemblies of God. Sa appointment be brave to board and all. Every Assemblies of God. Omasofo for enyebi. Anye shikra His Excellency John Mahama etimi si dan ma omo. A lot of churches and houses. It is all because of what they stand to get. At the next time, no, look at your life, look at the benefits you are getting from the current government or what you've gotten from the past government and decide based on that. Look at what the current government is promising you and what the opposition is promising you and decide based on that. That is how to elect a leader. Yes, nyakupon beka nyakupon kasachire no. Say nyina nyakupon kasachire. Ada, it's your common sense. And yes, sir, let's go and listen to what Mr. Speaker has to say about this. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, don't go anywhere.
So, FIC.
Financial intelligence.
And to be ba, there's your way money laundering. Yeah, red flag.
Omo detect it.
You detect it. Na yeah, we.
Na omo me track it.
Hey.
Sam kofo no ye disika mom, I buy disika mom one. And she say oh no omo ndi so. Hey, Kwame.
Yeah, come. We are young one. Kolebu Teaching Hospital.
And yeah, normal. I'm on the anymore. But just skip it, Hano. Me and
Obi skip it. Who just next one no see skip.
Next one no young 91.
Me for na
Obi go 91. Obi no go 91.
Mo 91.
Obi go 91.
Me for na kwa me.
Go 90 abeda.
Go 90.
Obeni can who's a one graduating. Degrees are awarded. Awarded. Yo.
Master.
Enko Ghana integrated iron no.
Ose.
Enko Ghana integrated iron.
90 institution bear.
19 year University of Ghana.
91 Ghana integrated.
91.
91 I know 91 Ghana integrated iron and still development.
On graduate year. Also be our interest. So edu be am interest no.
Agajo the economy interest the economy.
Well, when you had a graduation bed,
We try the tag here bed. I will bet to system the more.
Don't obi anka wasemo. The best Ghana dey obi anka.
one ball, so I can't.
Edi ya no agbo.
And where's Ukraine?
Obi dey mo ba mo explain ni actually.
We are part of the show, Anna.
And the young kwe.
American Honzo, the young
Ghana Integrated Iron and Steel Development Corporation. National Council for Curriculum and Assessment. Ghana Revenue Authority.
Come on,
Ghana
Revenue
Authority. No,
oh my taxes come home.
Yeah, Dabi.
And I'm going to know.
Yeah, I'm going to know.
93, I'm 93.
Ghana had toy now. No.
And come on, yeah, serious.
Yeah.
Serious, man.
But I won't say the league table on the buy. Most of the people are not discussing.
Yeah.
You might think say it and ye dear grana ye concept. Look, these are institutions are buying budget bia ye disika.
Yeah.
Enti Chronobona a war auditor general ne report to mu afibia I had a freeba. DNT a Chronobona ba because emrani is say wo ho no wo mfanye
adwuma.
What you say? They mismanage government. Sika ye dia man. Enti put in such a way say development as say unya.
To the assign almost was so at the end of the day no results.
Yeah. Embezzlement, misappropriation.
So basically no.
Why would you say? Basically have a free.
Meaning say
Ghana Revenue Authority.
Ghana Revenue Authority.
So
more na mo
jiji so got to
shop say be twa ne tax no. Aban man is sika.
Ono mo
sika wo sika no ho so de ye onye.
No that be o mu ya mo true. Ghana sika taxes na ayo mo jiji o.
The irony of it.
Abaya man is kasa ondi mra so mfa sika ne ye dwuma no. Wani mra no so kura o.
Ono no tank for so but at the end of the day ono no so ye de o.
Yeah, ono no so
ono no person hu so bi nya na na adwuma
ono ankasa mu ne nya.
De ono si aside the so mfa sika nya.
Hey Kwame.
Yanko.
Hey kupa o.
Yanko.
In some trouble amoka mo dey 94.
National Media Commission. National Media Commission.
In some trouble dey mu yeni mo dey da.
Omo famra nya adwuma kra. Your mom was scar, won't fancy sending your juma. I say, I'm one of my for na yaka GR 40 years here. No one know this.
Then some trouble are more kind. National
Media Commission. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. National Media Commission. Don't do that.
Anya so be one baba to radio station.
Yeah, to radio be more Ghana.
Omo dey omo is right no.
National Media Commission. Your mom was scar, you should follow the law.
And yan kind of try and call it
yan kind of try National Food Buffer Stock Company Limited.
Yanko.
How they are normal. Buffer stock. Said you fan this. Hey, money maguas there.
We crowd court is here. I can say. We crowd court.
Hanan.
Office of the
head of civil service.
And also normal.
And you normal, sir. And you normal. And you normal, sir. Civil service.
97
institutions.
I'm going for.
Na baby I'm talking what you
97 no.
Hey, so be your man pay you.
Zabas ni kan. Ni be or ye league. Or pay ni be adi.
Yes.
Ni bo da 97 years be adi.
Over 97 na. Ministry of Education. Na Ministry of Education, one can reach.
I'm the headquarters.
And the baby how na do so teno. From Ranja Juma Babu. Ministry of Education headquarters. Nti omo ni ensese ni so
omo ni so kra
sem ho mra ni ensese Ministry of Education omo a etete ye nkwala to be upright in our society
omo amu na nkasa na
Mr. Speaker ne ene
enyo omo headquarters
na ne say league table ya bay na say Ministry of Education the omo shape ha de enya wanwasa ya na Ministry of
enya ministry ni na aja mo de say ministry headquarters
na headquarters
headquarters no omo na omo in charge of other way you yes
headquarters ni na ensure say agencies ni here
adwuma
of the borders until at the end of the day
so ebia other than comply headquarters ni pena
and say Mr. Speaker a folk ahodo ya de bia mo kobachi abanse ni abasa ni ade ya na finance ministry mo clearance say na mo no because mo mfa
yeah that's true
so at the end of the day no mo be say more performance e wo for monti and almost so struggle
Gifek for some fine Ghana Infrastructure Fund for Electronic Communication
omo ko ya na omo budget so ntino
odum jafo no so odum jafo ne mfa mra ne hye ne nya adwuma o
odum jafo no
Ghana National
Party mo nya akande na na
Chief Justice here
mo mfa mra nya adwuma ne ade
Chief Justice here
Mode.
Chief Justice is a prison service.
Pam. Hey, come de be no.
Wadaroma. Wadaroma.
Na
100 ayo.
Oh, 100 ya but
100 ni see not move for.
Ayo.
Nan boy 99.
There not more 100.
Not more than 100.
After 5 years 100. E ho ne adu.
101.
There be 100 na not more ayo.
Retired military officer and the host is here, Director General. Mo fancy say anya adwuma why? Na mo fancy say anya adwuma nti not mo sika de mo nyina ye ekọ he.
Na not mo.
Se mo fancy say anya adwuma de a.
Sentina.
Agency ba ko a.
Sentina bo hu say ya na. Problem ba as a result of it being so to anase BBS na o say na
de disaster na
be ha na niema nkoda.
No mo che okoma manifi ya mi hu nadmo eye bucket ni student mattress ni
emo
etoda kran kofo ebetimi aye hu dede sa twan nadmo for some bebre niema nadmo for so na em koda
last but one last one do that work right
aye nim gwase pa
me you from
obi from aye o ye ne
Ombedum signal.
Frequencies here.
Obi atumi nyi obi.
Mama na ri yo. E serious o.
Amawe.
And I nipo down nso yosofo.
Anu na.
Nipo
na mama yem shim.
National Communications Authority.
Yes.
Omna awe.
Said they are not complying.
Yes.
At all.
Least compliant.
Agencies now. Omna awe.
101.
With the list no come no mu twato.
Being led by Osofo. No, that be wrong. No.
Okay.
Wrong.
Man who Ghana Education Service for waha. And a man who gold board for so waha. Gold board for so am
more outside the league.
Right? Gold board for am cry. Institution ben na oni mo mu
why you so ama?
Why you so ama? Senate for so nim. Right? Ana ho abiem. Ghana Cocoa Board nso nim.
Yes. Cocoa Board nim.
Okay. Cocoa Board no say aban budget nko, right? Omo an generate musika.
Some no the under the omo ato force yan say o.
Omo ato force na say. But omo say omo no the omo an generate musika.
Enti omo generate and they can spend anyhow they want ana.
So we